So, good morning, sir. This is a basketball counter. It is a fun and interesting, we can say, project that combines sports and AI together. The main purpose of this project is that it automatically counts the number of balls that go in through this basket. The main function, main components of our robot are that it is a qubit that is used to create the structure of it. The qubit, it is used to use as a brain and control all the operation. These two wires are known as RJ cables, which are used to connect sensors to qubit. This is known as IR sensor. It detects the ball in the basket. It is also known as infrared radiation sensor. This is an RGB. The role of LED is whenever there is a ball in the basket and the green light will glow automatically. The IR sensor. Ball, where is the ball? These are the IR sensor. If we will put in a ball in this there is a count. The signal goes to the qubit, then goes to this. Like if I am showing by putting my hand, there is a count. So the score is to sense any motion that is being there and send the count to the software. You can try by putting the ball.
Sir, some benefits of a model are automation demonstration in sports. It is fun and educational for students and helps to understand AI and education.
And there are no means of cheating or partiality by playing the game. So the purpose of this whole project is that it does not require any referee to play the game. It gives the accurate points of the game and it does not serve as any means of cheating or partiality towards the team or the match.
And the most main purpose is that some children are very addicted to the phone, so it is a very interesting project so that they can't get addicted to the phone, but they get addicted to this, and if they will see this, they will say that there is a physical activity also like this, so they will play this physical basketball also like
so
this.
This is just the purpose of it is also that it is a distraction from for children from the screens and all. And we don't need referee to count the points. Thank you.
So this is a project, Smart Door with Automatic Doorbell. Smart Door with Automatic Doorbell is an innovative project made using QTPI Mega Blocks. It combines automation and security. It automatically triggers an alarm sound for alert, and if we want the person to enter, we can open the door through the mobile phone. And if we don't want the person to enter, the door would be closed like this.
Now I'll tell the components that are used in this project. So this red part that you see right here is known as qubit. So this qubit basically acts as the brain or the controller of the project. And then we have these qubits. Qubits are like small building blocks, but these are different from them. And then we snap them together and form the structure of the project. Then this is RJ cable. This RJ cable is used to join different parts of the project with the qubit. Then this is servo motor. Servo motor is used for the opening and closing of door. Then this is IR sensor. If I bring my hand near this sensor, it senses that something is near the door. If it senses something, the buzzer and alerts that something is near the door. Now we'll show how to talk with it on the phone. Now if we click on open door, the door opens, and if we click on close door, the door closes. You can try it if you want.
When the IR sensor detects something near the door, it sends signal to the qubit. The qubit activates the motor to open the door automatically. At the same time, the buzzer also rings to indicate someone's presence. After a few seconds, the motor rotates in the opposite direction to close the door again automatically. This process repeats every time someone comes near the sensor.
It has its benefits also, like hand-free automation, number 2, smart automation, number 3, it saves the times of the person, number 4, energy efficient. Thank you.